obviously pretty simple.
Junk looks like right now. First of all, I do want to be an actor. It's more or less, hey, how are the days right now? Smells damn drunk. Let me turn that.